Alright, imagine you've got 4 photos of different learners in front of you. Your mission? Build a simple key, a step-by-step guide, to help someone else figure out exactly who's who. Step 1. I need to split these learners into 2 groups. The easiest way? Let's say by gender. So, my first question is the learner female? Now, I focus just on the female group. Let's say there are 2 girls. I need to split them again. Maybe one has blonde hair, maybe the other has brown hair. So, my next question is, does she have blonde hair? If yes, boom, you've identified one learner. If not, it must be the girl with brown hair. Now, I switch to the male group. Maybe there are also 2 boys. I repeat the process. Let's say one wears glasses, the other doesn't. So, my question is he wearing glasses? If yes, you found your guy. If not, you've got the other one. So, here's how my key works. First, is the learner female? If yes, does she have blonde hair? If yes, that's learner A. If no, that's learner B. If the learner is male, does he wear glasses? If yes, that's learner C. If no, that's learner D. That's it. By asking simple yes or no questions, I can help anyone identify each learner step by step, just like a scientist would. So next time you've got a group to sort out, remember, break it down into simple choices, and you'll have your answer in no time.